When you're using a laptop or traveling and need more screen real estate, portable monitors provide new versatility and solid picture quality in an easily portable form factor. Plus, laptops, tablets, and smartphones provide convenience and mobility, but those small screens can cause headaches, blurry eyes, and fatigue. Trying to crowd a lot of information on such a small screen only exacerbates the problem, especially if you're using computer devices for several hours a day. However, a portable monitor can provide a much better working and viewing experience. Picking the right one for you will depend on several factors, but we've done the legwork to select and highlight the best portable monitors currently on the market. Number 1. Asus ROG Strix XG16. The Asus ROG Strix has a high refresh rate and lots of great features, making it the best choice for most people. Perhaps unsurprisingly from a company that makes excellent, and at times affordable, battle station accessories, the best portable monitor is made for gaming. The Asus ROG Strix 15.6-inch portable monitor is one of only a handful of models with a 144Hz refresh rate, which provides smooth animation in and out of games. Even if you don't play much, it has some very useful bells and whistles. Its kickstand rotates, so you can easily switch between traditional landscape or vertically minded portrait mode. It also has stereo speakers in case you forget your headset at home. In addition to a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, a USB Type-C cable and a USB Type-C to A adapter are also included. One usual feature is the universal tripod socket, a hole with a 1/4 thread, which makes it convenient to use the portable monitor with a tripod stand. However, a sleeve, which can be used as a stand, is also included. Number 2. Arzopa Portable Monitor 2K. If you want something to pair with a smaller laptop, the 13.3 inch is the ideal second screen. The portable monitor has the same resolution as Apple's 13-inch MacBook Pro, pictured above, which makes them a particularly good pair. Text, images, and videos look sharp on Arzopa's screen, although I recommend immediately enabling its HDR mode, which wasn't on by default. This setting will make colors look a lot more accurate, which is necessary if you'd like to use the portable monitor for image or video editing. We were used to working on a display of its size and resolution, which made adapting our workflows a lot easier. Arzopa's monitor has 2 USB-C ports and 1 mini HDMI port to connect multiple devices simultaneously. The company bundles the portable monitor with both a USB-C cable and mini HDMI cord so that you can use it with all of your devices right out of the box. Our only complaint is that both USB-C ports are located on one side, requiring us to snake the cord around the back of our MacBook to its Thunderbolt 4 ports. Number 3. Inoctane 15.6-inch OLED Portable Monitor. Inoctane's top OLED portable monitor is the most expensive pick on our list, and for good reason. Among desktop monitors and laptops, 4K OLED touchscreens don't come cheap, and we won't even talk about the best OLED TV's prices. Among portable monitors, they are virtually unheard of. Organic light-emitting diode, OLED, displays feature self-emitting backlit pixels that can independently turn on and off when an image calls for it, producing incredible contrast and a more vivid picture. Combine that with 4K resolution, and, well, it's very pretty. Meanwhile, the touchscreen feature allows you to use the portable monitor like a drawing tablet. It has stereo speakers, in case you need them, and it can be used in both portrait and landscape mode. At $799.99, it is considerably more expensive than the rest of our picks, but it also delivers a higher class of picture. Number 4. Asus ZenScreen Touch MB16 AMT. The Asus ZenScreen Touch's portable touchscreen is responsive and easy to use. You can even draw on it. The Asus ZenScreen Touch's 10.1080p touchscreen won us over with its intuitive fingertip control, which makes it incredibly easy to make changes to documents, play games, and draw on slides. It comes with many of the basic features we look for, including stereo speakers and a smart case kickstand. Having a portable monitor with a touchscreen is especially helpful for traveling workers getting things done on a phone. You can use the ZenScreen Touch app to control your Android phone, making it a perfect pairing for a powerful smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. There's even a smart pen holder for your stylus to ensure you don't lose it when not in use. Number 5. Arzopa A1C. Arzopa's A1C portable monitor shares many of the same features as the company's 2K model, which we recommended earlier, but at a significantly lower cost. The build quality of the display is solid, save for its folding stand, which required a fair amount of time to fully understand. You need to fold it in a particular way, which was unclear due to the vague instructions, That said, setting up the monitor was smooth sailing once we got the hang of it. You can connect this portable monitor to your device using the included USB-C to USB-C or a micro HDMI to HDMI cable. We exclusively use the former. Our computer quickly recognized the monitor, and we could immediately begin using it. This display's 1080p resolution is a step down from Marzopa's 2K model, but it still displayed colors very well, and text looked pretty clear. HD videos looked perfectly fine on this monitor, and the display is the perfect place to keep spare windows you need to use or reference while working on your computer's main screen. While the A1C can be used horizontally, using it vertically will make it more comfortable to view certain applications. Email and chat apps, think Slack or Google Teams, work particularly well this way, as do long-form articles.